shuffle, heel, toe, step is the Rodney, named after Rodney Sutton of the Green Grass Cloggers. And in Big John, we have just done a left foot pony and then a touch step. So we've got our left foot in the air, ready to do a Rodney. We're gonna shuffle, heel, toe, step. And we're turning quarter turn. And we want the other foot to be in this ready position because we're gonna shuffle, slide, slide. That shuffle, slide doesn't have a specific name. So the Rodney is shuffle, heel, toe, step. And then in Big John, we do shuffle, slide after the Rodney. Ready, go, shuffle, heel, toe, step, shuffle, slide. Ready, go, shuffle, heel, toe, step, shuffle, slide. Then from this position, we're going to do a Rodney where we do a half turn and then a turning Earl. So this is hard to do slowly, but shuffle, heel, toe, step, hop, step. It's easier to get that Earl going when you're going faster to have the momentum. Shuffle, heel, toe, step, hop, step. So the whole thing, starting with the first Rodney, ready, go. Shuffle, heel, toe, step, shuffle, slide, shuffle, heel, toe, step, hop, step. So your right foot's going to be ready to do something else. It's hard to balance slowly, so once you get those steps in your body and your brain a little bit, faster speed, help you balance more, help you get your turns going all the way around, give you better momentum.